Altering paddock shapes or creating new paddocks in the MyEnviro platform is completed in Edit mode. To enter your farm plan in Edit mode from the list view, ensure you have clicked the three dots to the right and selected Farm Features. To identify you are in Edit mode, you will see a green button with a plus sign at the top centre of your screen. To update or adjust paddock shapes, ensure that the paddock layer is ticked on the Farm Features list on the left-hand side. To check this, click the small white arrow to the left of the screen, scroll down and ensure the box to the left of the paddocks is ticked. For easy viewing, minimize this list by clicking the small white arrow again. You will now have the farm map with all paddocks displayed on the screen. Firstly, to edit a paddock boundary or shape, simply click on the paddock that needs to be edited. From here, the paddock's boundary will have a dotted line with orange dots. Grab these dots and drag to the desired spot. To delete a dot, click the dot and click the Delete Selected located above the Submit button. If a dot has been deleted or the paddock shape does not need to be adjusted, simply click Cancel. This will return the paddock to its original shape. Once edited, select Submit, which is located at the bottom of the screen. Submitting any changes will automatically result in the paddock's area being recalculated. This can be checked by selecting the same paddock and clicking the small pencil icon next to the paddock. To exit this view, press the X at the top of the screen to return back to the main farm map. Secondly, if a new paddock is needed, click the green plus button at the top of the screen and select Paddock. This will then open the farm map and allow the user to click and draw the desired shape, size and location of this new paddock. Once complete, this paddock will require a name before saving. To delete existing paddocks, click on the paddock and click the trash can icon. The user will be asked to confirm the deletion before proceeding. Please note, any information such as crops or soils attached to this paddock will also be removed. Fertilizer applied to this paddock will also be removed, but the application will remain for any other paddocks.